Welcome everyone. Last time, what is the main theme of the Majuli festival in Assam? তালুক আমি কমপ্লিট কৰিছিলোঁ। এতিয়া আমি next 100 আমি কমপ্লিট কৰিম। Who is known as the father of Assamese prose? That is Anandaram Dhekial Phukan. Name the traditional Assamese jewelry worn by women. That is John Biri. Which national park in Assam is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Manas National Park. So, यहाँ तो option आसिले, okay. What is the traditional Assamese New Year called? Rongali Bihu. Who was the first women chief minister of Assam? Syeda Anwara Taimur. Which river flows along the Assam-Arunachal Pradesh border? That is Lohit. Name the first Assamese movie, that is Joymoti. What is the significance of the Kamakya temple in Assam? That is one of the Shakti Pithas associated with goddess Kamakya. Who is the first woman from Assam to climb the Mount Everest? That is Anshu Jamshengpa. Okay. Which gas field is the largest producer of natural gas in Assam? That is Badarpur gas field. Who was the first president of the Assam Sahitya Sabha? That is Ambika Giri Rai Chaudhary. Which historical event led to the signing of the Assam Accord in 1985? Assam Agitation. That is Anti-Foreigners Movement. Who is the first Assamese person to receive the Bharat Ratna? That is Gopinath Bordoloi. Name the river island in Assam that is famous for its migratory birds. That is Dibru Saikwa National Park. Who composed the famous song O Moor Apunar Dekh? Lakshminath Bezborua. In which year was the Assamese rifle established? 1835. Which tribe is known for the traditional dance form Bodo dance? That is Bodo tribe. Who is considered the saint reformer of Assam and the founder of Neo-Vaishnavism? Srimanta Shankardev. Name the folk dance of the Deori tribe in Assam. Deodhani Nritya. Which historical monument in Assam is also known as Joydol or Sorodol? Okay. Joydol or Sorodol. That is Talatal Ghar. Okay. It is known as Joydol or Sorodol. Who is the first Assamese woman to receive the Padma Bhushan Award? Iram Chanu Sharmila. Name the longest river bridge in Assam connecting Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. That is Bogiville Bridge. Yeah, Arvata naam ase. He naam to muk comment box ot likhi dibo. Which national park in Assam is known for its population of wild water buffaloes? Orang National Park. Who is the first Assamese person to be honored with the Janpith Award? Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. Name the traditional Assamese snack made of rice and jaggery. That is pitha. In which year did the Assam become a part of the British India? 1826. And to kuntu treaty asile etu mo comment box ot likhi dibo. Which ancient manuscript of Assam is considered the earliest example of Assamese literature? That is Kotha Ramayana. Who is known as the Nightingale of Assam? That is Dipali Borthakur. Nightingale of Assam का क्या है? Dipali Borthakur. Name the Assamese poet who was posthumously awarded the Sahitya Academy Award. Hiren Bhattacharya. Which Mughal emperor invaded Assam in 17th century? That is Aurangzeb. Who is the first Assamese woman to become a commercial pilot? That is Pratibha Bordoloi. Name the traditional Assamese rice beer. That is Apam. खाए बहुत मजा लगे ना. Which festival is celebrated with the lighting of earthen lamps in Assam? That is Kati Bihu. Who is the first Assamese woman to climb Mount Everest? Anshu Jamshedpa, already discussed. Name the river that forms the border between Assam and Nagaland. That is Dhansiri River. In which year did Assam become a full-fledged state? It became on 1972. Who is known as the Green Man of Assam for his environmental activism? That is Jaidev Payeng. আৰু তেওঁ এটা পুৰা এটা ফৰেষ্ট বনাইছিলে, right? Name the traditional Assamese platter consisting of various items. Assam Laksha. Which historical event is depicted in the Ranghar structure in Shivsagar? That is Ahom Sports and Entertainment Venue. Who was the first women Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court? That is Mira Sahib Fatima Bibi. Which river is known as the Red River of Assam? That is Subansiri River. Name the dance drama associated with the worship of Lord Krishna in Assam. That is Ankiya Nath. Who is the first Assamese to receive the Arjuna Award in football? That is Manoranjan Bhattacharya. Which hill station in Assam is known for its tea gardens? Haflong. Who is considered the pioneer of mobile theatre in Assam? That is Achyut Lakar. Name the longest river in Assam. Brahmaputra. Which national park in Assam is famous for its golden langurs? That is Manas National Park. Who is the first Assamese woman to become an IAS officer? That is Parveen Sultana. Name the traditional Assamese flat bread made with rice flour. That is Hunga Pitha. Which historical Ahom queen is associated with the construction of Ranghar? That is Queen Pramata. Who is the first Assamese to receive the Dadasaheb Phalke Award? Bhupen Hazarika. Name the traditional Assamese bridal attire for women. That is Mekhela Sador. In which year did the British annex Assam from the Ahom Kingdom? 1826. Who is known as the first Assamese women physician? That is Padma Shri Dr. Indira Goswami. Name the traditional Assamese drum. Khol. Okay. Which bird sanctuary in Assam is known for its migratory birds from Shivsagar? Diporbil Bird Sanctuary. From Siberia. Okay. Migratory birds from Siberia. Diporbil Birds Sanctuary. Who is the first Assamese woman to receive the Padma Shri Award? That is Dipali Borthakur. Name the traditional Assamese platter consisting of variety of items. That is Assam Laksha. Which river is known as the Red River of Assam? Subansiri River. What is the traditional Assamese dance associated with Bihu festival? That is Bihu dance. Who is considered the pioneer of Assamese cinema? Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. ঠিক আছে, কিছুমান কোয়েশ্চন রিপিটেড হয়ে আছে, বাট ডোন্ট ওয়ারি, আমার রিভিশন হয়ে যায় আছে. নেম দ্য ট্র্যাডিশনাল অ্যাসামিজ বোট রেস. দ্যাট ইজ নাওখান্ডা. হুইচ এনশিয়েন্ট আহোম ক্যাপিটাল ইজ নোন ফর দ্য রংঘর অ্যান্ড তলাতল ঘর স্ট্রাকচার? শিবসাগর. হু ইজ নোন অ্যাজ দ্য শ্রীমন্ত শঙ্করদেব অফ মডার্ন অ্যাসামিজ লিটারেচার? দ্যাট ইজ লক্ষ্মীনাথ বেজবরুয়া. নেম দ্য ট্র্যাডিশনাল অ্যাসামিজ মার্কস ড্যান্স ভাওনা. ঠিক আছে, আৰু মার্কস যোনটো ট্ৰেডিশনাল মার্কস এইটো ক'ত বনোৱা হয় এইটো মোক আপুনি কমেন্ট বক্সত লিখি দিব. Which river flows along the Assam Meghalaya border? Brahmaputra river. Who is the first Assamese to receive the Sahitya Academy Award? Lakshminath Bezborua. Name the historical place where the Battle of Saraigat was fought. Brahmaputra river near Guwahati. Who was the Ahom general known for his role in the Battle of Saraigat? Lachit Borphukan. Which Ahom king is associated with the construction of Karanghar? Rajeshwar Singha. Who is known as the Bhakti Ratna of Assam? Srimanta Shankardev. Name the traditional Assamese marks dance drama associated with Srimanta Shankardev. That is Ankiya Nath. Which gas field is the largest producer of natural gas in Assam? That is Badarpur gas field. Who is the first Assamese to receive the Maksese Award? That is Natwar Thakkar. Okay. Name the traditional Assamese platter consisting of Assam Laksha already got. Which Ahom king is known for shifting the capital from Sadia to Gargaon. Okay. Sadia par Gargaon kun Ahom ruler capital shift hoise, that is Suhongmung. ठीक है, Suhongmung. Who is considered the first Assamese poetess? Hema Saraswati. Ugadi is a popular festival of Karnataka. Dimapur, the capital of Kachari Kingdom, was occupied by the Ahom king Suhum Mung. The Ainai-Akbari was written by Abul Fazl. Kamakha temple was rebuilt by the Koch king Nara Narayan. Who was the first president of the Muslim League? That is Aga Khan. Who is known as the father of the local self-government of India? That is Lord Ripon. What is the maximum gap of time between the session of the parliament and also the state legislative assembly houses? That is 6 months. China acknowledged Sikkim as the integral part of India during the prime ministership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Love in the Time of Cholera is a novel by the Nobel laureate Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Okay. Garcia Marquez. Who developed the economics United Nations Human Development Index? Mahbub ul Haq. Okay, we'll check on to this question a bit. Okay, Mahabul, total framing of the question has been wrong. The terracotta industry in Dhubri has been developed in the district. Terracotta industry already recently exam ekbar ahi paise. Okay, terracotta industry in Assam code ase Dhubri. Okay, decentralization planning on the basis of Panchayat Raj institution was recommended by Bhavant Rai Mehta committee. Which is the largest plain in the world? That is Siberian plain. Which sea is without a coastline? That is Sargasso Sea. Panidihing bird sanctuary is located in which of the following district of Assam? So Panidihing ko ase, that is in Sibsagar. Yandabu Treaty was signed in 1826. Okay. East India Company and the Burmese. If the Arctic ice is replaced by the dense forest, what will happen? It will accelerate global warming. The Burunjis are chronicles. The first session of the Indian National Congress was presided over by W.C. Banerjee. The king nickname as Bhagaraja was Suramfa. Baguramba is a folk dance performed by Bodos. Ibn Battuta, the celebrated traveler, visited Assam in the 14th century. So Ibn Battuta kiti ahisile 14th century. Okay. The British made aerodrome at Barnagar Sarbhog was set ablaze under the leadership of Brajannath Sharma in August 1942. Okay. So আজি কাৰণে ইখিনি ৰাখিছো. Okay. So next class next 100 questions আমি cover কৰিম. Okay. Thank you.